Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of our class 4 Maths. So, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. Okay. So, starting from the first topic, Tinu used this block. Okay. Here in the picture. Here in the figure, you can see that he used this block to make a sari. So, what they have done? By using this picture, by using this block, they have made this pattern on the sari. Now see the direction. Okay, if we consider this at like this way, so see here also they have done like this way. See the direction mainly. Okay, so the continuous pattern is like here. Okay, then what they have done, then like this way, right? This way. So with one block only, they have printed different patterns, right? In this side, in this direction. Okay. Next, he made the bed sheet with the same block. Now see the difference between both the sheet or both the sari and a bed sheet. In this, they have used this direction of the block. See, four blocks coming to each other or pointed to each other. Okay. In this way, Tinu has made this bed sheet. Okay. Moving further, he also made this dupatta with this same block. Here, which type of pattern or which direction they have used. Let's see that. See, here the one is in downward direction, then one is in upward direction, then again in downward, then upward, and okay, then so going on. Here also the same method is used, or you can also see that this column is in the upper direction, this one is in the lower. Okay, see, up, down. Okay, this is the direction of block. Can you see how Tinu has made different pattern using the same block? Now you took make three different pattern using this one. Okay, see, now consider this has this like this way. Okay, if you wish you can draw in your homework also, then you can place somewhat like this way here also. Okay, and then follow these steps into this all blocks. Okay, follow this pattern in this boxes also. Now the another pattern which we can make using this block is somewhat like this. In the upper direction, here also in the upper direction, here in downward, here also in downward. Then follow this pattern. In these two block upward, in these two block downward, in these two block upward, in these two block downward. Okay, and here also in this upward. Now for the third pattern which we can make from this block is like this way. All this block will be in this direction. Okay, and here all this block will be in this direction. Okay, in this direction. So by using one block we can make different patterns. So we have make three patterns. Now moving next, Yamini has used her block to make a new few pattern. Help her to take this pattern forward. Okay, now see what she has done. First, she has used only one block. Then 1 and 2. Then 3. Then here 4. So now we know that we know the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, and now again 1. So now what will come here? 2, 3 and 4, right? See here also 2 arrows upward, 2 arrows downwards, then 3 arrows upward, 3 arrows upward. Now what will come next? Now see here what can be the pattern formed. There are 2 arrows, then they have gone for 4 arrows. So we can go for 4, here 2, then 3, then what will come? 4 obviously, and here two pairs are there. So after 2 pairs, new pair will be starting, which will be 5. So now here 2 arrows, 3 arrows, then here 4 arrows will come. Here also 4 arrows will come. Here 5 arrows come. Now here one is upward, one is downward. Then both are upward. So here which pattern will be followed? Here upward, here downward, and here upward. Okay, same pattern. Now moving to the next. See here. For the first circle, the red portion is in this part, then in this part, then in this part. So in the fourth one, where it will come? Here, right? This is the pattern. Now next, this figure will come over here. Next, this figure will come over here, right? So this is the way the pattern is followed. We can also use patterns with numbers and letter. Below are few examples. Can you take them forward? Okay, now see this. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, this is our ABCD, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Then what will come here? J, K, L, right? Three pairs. Are you getting it what I'm saying? We have to follow one pattern. In the first block 3 letters, then in the second block 3 letters, then in the third block 3 letters. So in all the circles 3 letters will be coming. Now if in the first block AB is there, ABC is there, then moving further DEF. So these are the 3 which come after C. These are 3 which come after F. So here also we have to follow the same pattern. Okay, after I 3 letters which are J, K, L. Now after L, which letters? M, then N, then O. After O, 3 letters P, Q, R, right? Now moving to the second one. Here you can see first see the number 28, 27, 26. It is decreasing 28, 27, 26. So what will come here? 25, right? Then here 24, and here 23. So see, this is also decreasing. Z, then Y, then X, then what will come here? Yes, the W in descending order, right? Then V, here U. Okay, now moving to the next pattern. 864, 764, 664. So now you can see from 864 to 764 they have subtracted 100, right? They have subtracted 100. Now from 764 to 664 they have subtracted again 100, right? So for this we have to subtract again 100, and what will be answer? 564. Here subtracting again 100 from 564 we will get 464. Again subtracting 360, 4, right? So this is how it is done. Now moving to the next. See here 9, 109, 209. So now you have to find the connections. Okay, you have to find the pattern. See, from 9 to 109, what they have done? They have added 100 to it. Okay, here we have seen they have subtracted, and here they have added, right? 9 plus 100, 109. 109 plus 100 will be equal to 209, right? Similarly, 209 plus 100 will be 309. Then 409 will come. Then what will come? 509. Okay, so this is how the pattern is going. Moving to the next question. Write down, now write your own number pattern. So let's see this. If we write here 2, okay, now we have to form a pattern. Then what we will do? We will just multiply it by 2. So what will come? 4. Then multiplying it by 2. What will come? 8. Multiplying it by 2. 8 2s are 16. And then 16 2s are 32. Similarly, 32 into 2, 64. This is a pattern. Okay. If you will give this pattern to anyone, they can find how the pattern is going, multiplying 2 by each number. Okay. Now here we have to form one pattern. Which pattern we can form? Let's see that. If here we write 2, 4, 6. So now we can understand we have added 2 to each number. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, right? Then 8, then 10, then 12. We can also see this. These are all even numbers. Okay. So these are consecutive even numbers. Make a pattern without a number. Okay, so now what we can do? See, A, then skipping B, then C. So here let me write B. We have skipped B. A, B, C, then here D. E, here will come E. So by seeing these three number, we can, or a person can understand which pattern is being followed. Skipping a letter between. Okay, A, then skip B, then write C, then skip D, then write E. Then here what will come? F, G, H, I, J and K. Okay. So if you will give only this letter to anyone, then they will easily understand. They can easily understand we have skipped one letter. So they can understand the pattern. Now, no number comes twice. Look at the number box. Can you see the pattern? See, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Or here you can see 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3. In each row, see, each row, no number is repeated. See, you can see that. No number is repeated. If we go for this line, this way, 1, 3, 2. Then also, no number is repeated again, right? So this is one pattern, right? No number comes twice in a line. Now you can try the letter A, B, C for this way in the box, so that no letter comes twice in any time. So what we can do? We can write over here A, here also A, here also A, then B, B and B, and left over C, C and C. So now you can see that ABC, CAB and BCA. No letter is repeating, right? ACB, BAC, CBA. No letter is repeating. So this is how a pattern is formed. In the next lecture, we will start from the topic magic patterns. Thank you.